Well, what we're launching today is this ice sculpture, which is a representation of how we're cooling the capital. And cooling the capital is all about how we get to zero carbon. So what this sculpture does, it represents some key landmarks in London, contains 20,000 litres of water frozen, and underneath it you can see a cooling system. And what it represents is the project we're building around the corner here, which is CityGen 4 megawatt heat pumps, which will be providing heating and cooling services in a zero carbon, long-term way. We pave the way for decarbonising heating and cooling in the City of London. It's a £4 million investment, and what it means is we're putting boreholes deep underground, around 200 metres, and they can extract the heat from the ground where the temperature is relatively constant, and then we can use that heat to supply commercial and residential premises across the City of London, like the Museum of London and the Barbican and so on.